Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F1 and today I will show you how you can find and open flashlight. So you have to simply open your notification bar, and as you can see, when we open the notification bar we can find flashlight icon right here in this place. So when we tap on this icon, as you can see right now, I'm going to turn off this light and take a look behind my, take a look on my hand. And there it is. So as you can see, the flashlight is working, so we can easily turn it on and turn it off by tapping on this icon. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.